Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to cancel your Dubai Islamic Bank credit card. To cancel your DIB credit card, the first thing to do is to open a web browser. In the URL box, type in dib.ae and search. Doing this will take you to the Dubai Islamic Bank official web page, from where you can simply go to the left-hand side of the screen and click on this Contact Us option. From the drop-down, choose Credit Card and go ahead and enter that you would like to cancel your credit card. After filling it out, choose whether you are an existing DIB customer or not. Enter your phone number, first name, last name, and then the email address. And finally, click on I'm not a robot and submit the request by clicking the submit button. Once you do that, follow through the on-screen instructions and you will be able to initiate your card cancellation. You can also directly call on the provided number at the bottom of the page and talk to the customer service representative that you would like to cancel your credit card. Remember to clear out any outstanding balance on your card before initiating the process, and that way you will be able to cancel your credit card for Dubai Islamic Bank. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.